creator and founder of Silky Stacks, a luxury hair care company, and I'm here today to do a review of this Bobbi Boss Gemma wig. But before we get into it, if this is your first time coming over to Silky Stacks, I want to say hello and welcome. Here we do wig reviews, we give you hair tips, we do hair tutorials, product reviews, and it is all free. So if you're into that kind of thing and you love wearing wigs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell, become a Silky Chick, and never miss a video when we drop. And if you're watching over on Facebook, we love you over on the FB too. Go ahead and give this video a like and a share. And then on both platforms, leave me a comment, you guys, down below so that I'll know you are here. And let me know, what are you thinking of Gemma? Gemma is super, super bold. And you know what she was reminding me of? I'm sharing my age, but she reminds me of Jem and the Holograms. Do you guys remember Jem and the Holograms? It's an 80s cartoon. She is giving me Jem for sure. So now without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this wig, you guys. So my last few wig reviews have been Bobbi Boss units. Bobbi Boss is dropping heat and slaying units, and I definitely have made it a point this year and in the next year to try to review more of their units because I'm really liking what I have so far. So if you haven't checked out my last couple reviews from Bobbi Boss, definitely do that. But this one here is the M1033 Gemma. I am rocking her in the flamingo, pink. Y'all, this color is so lit. I am loving it. So this wig is part of their creative color series. They dropped a series of wigs that have these beautiful vibrant colors. So here is her stock card. I'm rocking the color that is actually on the stock card, and then she comes in natural colors too. So I know a lot of people are not bold wig wearers, so if you're not a bold wig wearer, that's okay. Bobbi Boss got you. They do have her in the 1, 1B, and 2, and then these specialty colors here that I'm loving. Now she is coming down, you know, as you can see, right over my boobs. Very cute. I'm guessing it's probably about 22 inches. This is this is a silky yaki texture. It definitely has some silkiness to it. So if you don't like silky, you may not like this one. The color blend is phenomenal. I love darker roots. I love how it goes into this pale pink and then into this beautiful vibrant pink. I think this is a look for sure. She's definitely bold, and I think she's definitely a wig that I would wear out maybe like on New Year's or something to show, hey, I'm in the building. Okay, super duper cute. So let's just go over the card because there's a lot of claims here. So they say there's the Medi Fresh Safe and Clean cap. So I don't really get what this cap is really saying at the end of the day, but it's saying that it has UV protection. So I guess it'll protect you out in the sun, antibacterial and breathable. So sure, why not? I don't see anything really different. She definitely does have some stretch to her. Stay tuned and watch me unbox it so you can see the pros and cons, because there is, you know, some cons to this one. Now the density is light, so if you don't like a lighter wig, you may not like this one as well. But I am loving this. I'm loving these creative color. A lot of colorful units coming out right now, which is kind of different because usually these bolder, brighter colors come out in the summer, but I guess they're trying to do something different for the new year because Outre is also coming out with a lot of these bolder wigs. So anyways, we'll go on a tangent. I know you're here to get all the details on this unit, so I won't hold you any longer, but I do want to let you know that if you're looking for a way to make your wigs last longer, we do have a free PDF giving you tips on how to make your wig last longer. So go ahead and check that out and download it. It is free so that you can get the tips. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So here Gemma is. Let's go ahead and take her out of the pack. All right, so here Gemma is straight out of the pack. I am loving the color blend already. These hot pink ends, these dark roots blends into that light pink. Very nice. No lace to cut, which is nice. You got the bangs going on here. Let's go ahead and get into this cap. It is a fully enclosed cap. Has stretch there. There are no combs in Gemma. And then you just have the typical adjustable straps on the back. So let's go ahead and put her on. All right, you guys, so as I'm running my fingers through, not a lot of tangling and shedding. She is stretching. I have all my hair in here. Now, I would not say that she's like extra room. She's fitting snug. So even though there's no combs, I don't think I will need like a wig grip or anything because she's fitting pretty snug. She does not, yeah, she's not super tight. I don't feel like there's a lot of room in here, and yeah, no shedding or tangling. So let's get into this 360 of Gemma. So here she is in the front. Here she is to the right. Here she is to the left. And there she is in the back. So I'm going to go ahead, style Gemma up, come back and let you know my pros and cons and final thoughts. All right, so I am back from styling Gemma, so let's go ahead and get into it. So because Gemma is an easy wig to just throw on and go, there was no lace or anything like that to cut. I just went ahead and put a lot of body mousse in there. The mousse on synthetic color wigs just helps because there's a lot of frizzies and little hairs that are sticking up and out. So I wanted to just brush those down and get them into place to get everything more uniformed and laying and flowing together. And then I pulled her back a little bit because the bangs are kind of long on this one. Depending on if you have a shorter or bigger forehead, the bangs can fall kind of long. So I just adjusted her and pulled her back. Now I did not put my wig grip on because she is snug, but I did put 2 bobby pins in the back. And if you are going to wear her out, I definitely would suggest putting a wig grip on, or at least securing her with 2 bobby pins somewhere underneath so that she just doesn't move. You don't want to be clocked. You want to be out here looking cute and then your wig fall off, you know, at the New Year's Eve party or whatever. So just keep that in mind. And when I brushed her out, I didn't get any shedding or tangling or anything like that. And then that was really it. Oh, also she had a couple of the hairs that were in the bangs that were just kind of too long and out of place. So I did go ahead and trim those, and that was it, you guys. That was it. So she is what I love to call a throw on and go. So let's go ahead and get into the pros and cons of this unit. For the pros, the color. The color blend is beautiful. Now, I know this is bold, and you know, she does come in other colors that are more natural. So for those of you who don't want to be so bold, you do have the option of rocking this wig without it. But the color blend, yes, Bobbi Boss. I love this texture. This is my favorite texture. I love a little bit more of a silky or yucky texture. So that is a plus for me. That's more of a personal thing. I like that she was easy to just throw on and go. She is giving a look with not a lot of effort. I love that. Minimal shedding, minimal or to none tangling, which is also very good for a color synthetic wig. So love those things. As far as the cons, the fact that it doesn't have any combs anywhere and the cap is just, you know, small. It's not snug. For Bobbi Boss, it definitely is not snug. But yeah, if you have a bigger head, thicker hair, she probably will be tight, and you know, some combs, an extra little something to keep her in place, because she's a look, so you probably would wear her out if you're gonna wear her, you know, to an event or something. So you would want some security. So that, and then for those of you who don't like color, you may not like this. Also, the density on this one is a little bit lighter, and I know some people don't like wigs that are of a lighter density. This one definitely has extremely light density. So that is it. And once I take this wig off, I'm not going to put it back into the plastic that it came out of. I'm going to put it in my luxurious Silky Sack. A Silky Sack is a silk line bag that I invented to not only store your wigs in, but to add longevity to them. The silk lining allows the hair to just glide, cutting back and down on the shedding, tangling, and matting that wigs do if you put them back into the plastic and boxes and different things that they come in. So if you want to check out Silky Sacks and some of the fabulous products that we sell, you can check out the description box. The link to the website will be there. And now, without further ado, I want to go ahead and give my Silky Chick shout out. And the shout out today is going to Miss Kai Rashawn. Kai Rashawn is a fellow wig slayer. She needs no introduction. If you're not familiar with her channel, honey, where have you been? What are you doing? You need to get on it. Kai is amazing. She slays every unit and she is super entertaining while she does it. Love her channel. So if you are not familiar with her, I don't know how, but if you're not, the link to her channel will be down in the description box. Thanks, Kai, for stopping by and dropping a comment. We appreciate you. As always, I want to say thank you so much, and I will see you next year.